All right, hey there, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of DECKED 101. We're here to show you how to install your dividers into your drawers. You'll notice on your divider, there's a little flexible wing on either side, and that wing is there to grab a clip, which you will screw into the top of the drawer lip, and this clip right here creates positive engagement when it's put into the drawer. You'll notice on the clip there's a little tab that sticks out, and that tab, if it's face down, will give you a tighter divider engagement point. And if you put that tab with a lip up, it's gonna be a little bit easier to remove the divider. So you just have to decide how tight you want those dividers to be in your drawers. Okay, this is super easy to do. You just wanna be careful you don't over tighten the screw because you're going straight into plastic. And it just needs to be snug. You don't want it to actually strip out. So you're gonna put it right here in the drawer where the divider goes. So you take your divider clip, you're going to locate the slot where the divider actually goes in the drawer here along the drawer lip. And then you're going to decide whether you want a really tight divider engagement or a loose divider engagement. You're going to take that tab there and put it in the slot. This shown like this with the divider tab down, again, it's a tight engagement. You flip it over, and you get a little looser engagement, a little easier to remove. So you grab your screw and your tab, and then your drill. Set it all in here where you're going to put it. We're going to go for a little easier divider removal. And you want to make sure that that clip that you've installed lines up with all the contours of the drawer lip itself. Grab your second screw and just be careful you don't strip the hole out, so don't over tighten these. All right, so now you've done that side, we're gonna move over to the other side. So grab your other tab and your screws, and just make sure that you match whatever you decide to do on the first side with the second side with regards to that tab. Okay, so now you got that nice and snug, and you didn't strip it out, right? You put your divider in. And you'll just notice how these clips that we've installed in the drawer lip is gonna give you good positive engagement on your divider. So the divider goes into the slot, just like it looks like it should. It'll click down and you'll get good positive engagement so that divider doesn't come out when you pull out your extension cords or your boots or what have you. So those are dividers, that's Divider 101. Thanks for tuning in. If you have questions about this video or anything else from DECKED, please ask in the comments below or hit us up on social media. You can email us, call us, send us a love letter, whatever you got. We're happy to be working with you, and thanks for tuning in.